We are really lucky to be living near the beach here in Portugal. One thing we were really sad to see was in the most recent round of storms, including Storm Kristin, a ton of damage was inflicted on a lot of structures here, and a ton of trash and plastic and all this junk washed up onto shore.
Usually this beach is spotless, but it is just covered in plastic. It's even drifted past the boardwalk into the grassy areas.
Yesterday we were walking along the boardwalk, which is something we like to do regularly here, and we saw this woman organizing this cleanup crew, and they were all just picking up trash, making things better with the power of community. So we asked if we could join today, and she said, yeah, sure, come on down. So I thought we'd bring you with us so you can see not only what it's like here on the beach, but what it feels like to be a part of this community.
So I've gotten some looks because I'm carrying 2 dustpans. Clearly, just want everyone to know, I know that is not the ideal implement. We had a million grabber tools back in the United States, kind of like for reaching and grabbing things. They would have been perfect for this. Did I bring any of them to Portugal? No. Don't even know where to buy them here. And we only had from last night until today to get ready. So the dustpans are the closest we have to something that will help save our backs.
We've arrived here. There's a crew of about 6 people cleaning up. We're going to try to clean up this small patch of beach today, and hopefully by the end it will look better than when we came. I've seen a ton of these, and I don't know what these are. Do you know what this is?
That's for the octopus.
Octopus? Octopus trap?
Yeah.
Wow.
Right?
There's so many of these that washed up on shore. Incredible.
Yeah.
Can you tell us your first name?
Celeste.
All right, Celeste, what are we doing here today?
Oh, we are cleaning the beach.
Yeah.
One of the beach, all the beaches.
Yes.
Are very dirty.
And why are you doing this here today?
Because I love the sea. I love the beaches. I live here, and I can't sleep without doing nothing. I need to do because the city hall and who must do this don't have resources.
Yeah.
Or even will to do that. They only clean the beaches in the summer.
No one was prepared for the storm, right?
Yeah. But not only the stores. We have a lot of pollution in the sea. That with the storm, the sea took all the things out. Yeah. And we need to do. Hope someone can help us because too much dirty. We need help.
Who else is joining you today?
Oh, only my friend Fatina. We are all the times in the weekend here. And we have a big boss of City Hall that I met him, and he knows that this is very, very dirty, and he says to me that they will clean in March. They will start cleaning the City Hall.
Yeah.
It's good.
Why didn't you just wait until March?
Oh, because I can't.
How many more days do you think you will continue doing this?
Oh, until no trash. All winters I do that. I have a group in Facebook long time ago. All winters we do that. But this year is the worst.
People can go to the Facebook page and then join you if they want. Yes?
Yeah. We are, I live here.
Yes.
4 kilometers from here.
Yeah.
This is my beach in the summer. Now it's clean. Tomorrow will be dirty because at night the
winds,
the
waves,
the sea, the winds come, another, and another and another, and we can't quit because my grandchildren, when they grow, I want a beautiful
Beach for them.
beach for them.
Yes.
And if we just look to the other side, they will have not clean beaches.
What has been your experience meeting Americans in Portugal?
Oh, lovely.
Lovely?
I love very friendship, very friendship, very nice, very friendly. I never went to United States.
Yeah?
I hope go there. I love basketball.
Yeah.
My sons, they play basket.
Yes.
One club there, I don't go. I hate him. Oh my goodness.
What do you not like about Trump?
Oh, he's crazy. He's a friend of Putin
Yes.
and Viktor Orban. The craziest man in the whole world. Powerful man and dangerous man.
Already you can see these sections that everyone's been working on are a vast improvement. Pretty amazing to see the before and after. It's not perfect, but it's getting close to its natural beauty again, and that is pretty great. Also, here is all the trash that has been collected until now, and you can see it's a lot.
We are the best team of cleaner of all the world. Yeah, thank you.
Here, okay, we're gonna get going, but this bag is only half full, so you can still use. Okay, I'll give you a hug. I'll give you a hug.
Best friend. Thank you.
I was hoping someone would do this.
Yes.
So I'm happy to come again.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Celeste.
Nice to meet you.
All right, we were there for a couple hours, and
Wow, that was exhausting.
yeah, that was. I mean, I think that you spend 10, 15 minutes collecting stuff, and then you look at the scene, and it's like you've made no difference. But over time, with a lot of people,
Yes, the people united will never be defeated.
that's right. We're actually able to make some amount of
I
difference.
also want to say we're walking down the boardwalk right now. So on this side is the big flat beach,
Yeah.
but on that side is sand dunes that they have planted with vegetation and little fences to prevent erosion. That's the stuff that's got to be done by hand. A big rake from the city is going to come out in a couple weeks and like deal with the big flat area. But this stuff, it's like so much harder than I could have possibly imagined to clean it. So I learned a lot about what it takes to keep the beach clean.
It was also amazing to meet Celeste, who is a total badass, I think.
Amazing. Yeah.
And is working out here every weekend, trying to keep things clean for her and her descendants.
Yeah.
So, very cool to see. Anyway, we feel very grateful to be able to spend time on this beach and to be able to join with others in helping to make it better.
I think because we enjoy it, we should contribute to keeping it clean, especially after something so catastrophic. And the country's like not even prepared for the scale of much worse. They have to focus their attention on much worse issues. People without roofs, people whose cars got crushed by trees falling. So
we can't really help with that, but we can help with this.
we can do this.
All right, folks, that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you've enjoyed this slice of life.
Goodbye from Friday night.
This is Dave Chen from Dave Chen Travels at davechentravels.com. See you later. Hey, Celeste.
Yeah.
How do you feel about Trump and ice?
Trump and ice.